welcome back to Shiloh's Temple, and today we're doing a top knot and 2 braids. So here I'm showing you the best way to do these 2 braids on the side is start with a part from ear to ear and then take 2 sections from each side going down in a triangular motion, equal size. Make sure that they're even and equal so that you can get the same braid on each side, that it won't be in front of the other braid won't be in back of each other. So this is just an easy way to do that. And for these braids, I'm using, of course, Style Factor to edge control to put on the braids and secure the braids. So I have a stitch method that I use as an easy stitch method for anybody to use. So I have it in one of her feed-in braid videos. I tried to do it here and I'll show you on the other side, but the footage is a little bit blurry, so bear with me. So I just showed that little tidbit, but check out that video if you really want to learn how to do feed-in braids, especially if you're a mom and you don't know how to do stitch braids on your child's hair. And that one I'm actually doing it with hair added, so check that out. Okay, so here I'm on the other side and it's a little bit clearer, so I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other side, taking 2 equal sections, and then I'm going to use my Style Factor edge booster to put it in the braids on the sides of the braid so that we can get a nice clean braid. If you don't have edge control, use grease. But yeah, so this is the stitch method. Like I said, it's a little blurry, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. But it's just basically just horizontally parting the little sections and then going down vertically so that you can already have your stitches done, so you don't have to braid, then take the comb and feed in your stitch. It's already there and all you have to do is just grab the hair. So it's an easy method. Like I said, I have that in one of her other feed in braids videos, so you can check that video out if you want to see how that's done a little bit more thoroughly. So once I finish, I am going in with the edge booster all around because her hair is not relaxed, but this is the strong coarse edge booster. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just have a ton of Style Factor things when I used to do hair, so I'm using it up. So I did the top part first and put it in the ponytail, and then I went ahead and did the back part and put it in the ponytail too. And I also put some in between her hair so it just wouldn't be dry or lumpy, so that it can be smooth. And then I put that back section in a ponytail as well. And then after I had that in a ponytail, I put both of the ponytails together in one with a hair tie. So for this, I'm going to add some hair, and I just got some braiding hair left over, and I'm just going to rubber band this. I try to show you guys how I rubber band it, but I had my hands too close to the camera, so I don't know if you can really see it. But I just interlock the rubber band so that I can wrap it around her hair. So I can wrap the rubber band around her hair evenly. Once I had that in, I just distributed the braiding hair over top of her hair because her hair is shorter. So I want that hair to be in the middle, and plus when you have some braiding hair or some other type of hair on top of your hair, it lasts a little bit longer. And I also put a little edge control on there just to kind of smoothen some of the rough ends from the braiding hair. So here I'm just twisting it. You can twist it to whatever desire, twist you like, or whatever type of bun. So I'm just kind of twisting it more so like a top knot. And no, I didn't put any hairpins or bobby pins or anything like that in her hair because number one, she's just turned 3, so she's a 3-year-old. And number 2, I don't want to put any tension on her scalp or anything that would irritate her scalp. I don't even like hairpins, so I didn't put any of that in there. But this is secure because the ends of the hair kind of become thin, and then you just continue to just wrap it around and it just becomes pretty secure. Here I'm just taking my comb and I am just putting in some of those loose ends. I'm also going to take some edge control and put it on some of those little flyaways that's around the top knot from the braiding hair, and just so it can look more sleek and clean. You don't want to just leave flyaways around. You don't want to just leave random pieces of hair just stuck in the hair, stuck on the outside of the hair. You want to try to clean it up and make it as smooth as you can. So I'm just doing that right here using a little edge control. Sometimes you can use a little flat iron, but this is a heat-free hairstyle, so I don't have any flat irons or anything like that even plugged in. So I'm just using edge control to do that portion. And then I'm going to do her edges, and I'm going to use Style Factor as well in a little edge brush to do these little baby hairs that she has. So this is the finished style, and this was a heat-free style. I love that edge control because it makes it very, very slick, especially for your child's hair. I like Style Factor. It don't matter the texture. I've used it on people that have like 4C hair, short hair, and it slick it all the way. You might have to just tie it down. But I love how sleek it makes it look. This is a heat-free style. She's only 3, so I'm not putting any heat on her hair besides blow drying her hair. So if you like this, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe to Shiloh's channel. And make sure you check out her other videos that she has. And we will see you later. Thanks for watching.